Disneyland Paris, here we go! Hello, hello, hello. I am that coaster queen, Jade Justine, aka Ben, and yes, I am here at Disneyland Paris. We've just arrived. It's about 20 past 8 in the evening. We have got a reservation at Walt's restaurant to celebrate my birthday and our lovely Erwan's birthday, and we're here with Momma J as well. So we've got Walt's. We will be doing Pirates of the Caribbean, and we might go into a shop. We will be going into a shop. And probably the castle show later. So come with us for this day one, very short little vlog. Let's go. So my loves, we are in. I've got me Disney Music Festival ears on, thanks to our gorgeous Erwan. He's on his phone, he's all right, he's checking things. And I've got me lanyard and a happy birthday badge, because we are celebrating my birthday, everybody. Yes, we are. Slay. And we're just walking down Main Street, and just give you a quick view. There she is! But we are hop, skip, and a footing it. That's not the phrase, but it is now. Over to Adventureland, because we are going to try and squeeze a ride on Pirates of the Caribbean. It's the ride me and Erwan always ride together whenever we spend our time, isn't it?
Always.
And it is Mom's favourite ride, and it's our ride, our special ride from 2003 when we came. So we're going up this way. No, this way. Oh yeah, Adventureland, right in front of you, Ben. These vlogs are not going to be all informational. This is just come and join me in the parks and have a camp all time, innit? Do you know what I mean? But yeah, we're going up to Pirates. Oh, you nearly lost me ears, yeah? Chaos, darlings, but what's new? Welcome if you are new. Subscribe. That's it, innit? You're getting back on Pirates, Mom. First time since 2022. You excited?
Absolutely.
There we go, row 3. In we come. Bag off. Oh my goodness me. Don't tell me we're getting our own boat. We're on Pirates. Mama, Erwan, it's very dark because I've got an old shitty iPhone. But we have our own boat. I can't believe this. Magic is made. Me getting my own boat on Pirates. I love it. I'll try and get you some highlights. But as you can see, you ain't going to see anything. I'll get an upgrade soon, I promise you.
Oh, that's a good idea.
All time for the first drop. Ah! This one here is one of my favourites, who pours out the water. Oh, Captain Jack. There he is.
C'est un bien beau trésor, en effet. N'est-il pas vrai, mon petit troubadour à plumes?
Some little highlights from Pirates of the Caribbean there for you. I think they might have come out a little bit better on this phone than I was expecting to, so slay, Mama, slay. And speaking of Mamas, your first time on Pirates of the Caribbean since 2022? Yeah. Your favourite ride here? How was that getting back on it, Dom?
As good as ever.
Good as ever. Love it. We had a very camp ride photo as well. If I've got the photo, I'll put it here. If I don't, it was nice. We're having a little walk through Adventureland now, as you can see. Back down to Main Street, USA, because we are going for an extra special birthday meal at Walt's, an American restaurant. So come with us. Oh, the smell. I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry. I really am. Viva la musique! Anyway, you'll hear more of that later. Tomorrow. Not later, with Mr. Big Finale now. But anyway, that's the song of the music festival. Spoilers! I'm walking down Main Street, USA. It's not the tune, but it's really hard to get the tune when there's another tune playing. But anyway, Main Street, USA. Oh, Disneyland Paris, Sleeping Beauty Castle, the sunset, gorgeous. And I am so hungry. All I've had today is a ham, cheese and tomato croissant from Momma J at London Luton Airport. But now, it's here. I'm so excited for this. Walt's restaurant. There they are. In we go. It's stunning in here. And up there is where we go. Look. Got all these photos. Oh wow. It is weird. It's very nice though. We'll have a little look at this maybe on our way out. But there he is, Walter Elias Disney. It all started with one man's dream, and that is that man. Anyway, should we go get some food, my lovelies? What a wonderful, wonderful place to sit. We've got this gorgeous artwork behind me, a little window view out there, and our lovely menus. And there is Mama and Erwan. Happy birthday for a few days ago, 2 days before me. Yes. Thank you. Oh, it is gorgeous. Right. Walt's restaurant. So in here, oh wow. How very fancy. So we have got Walt's menu, which is 55 euros, and you get a starter, creamy pea soup, chicken pot pie or Waldorf salad. You got your main courses, your chili con carne, chicken, mac and cheese, fish, and then you pick your dessert at the end: lemon meringue pie, pineapple upside down cake, or a flower street sundae, or a warm chocolate chip and hazelnut cookie. How lovely. Oh, and you can celebrate your birthday with us. I think I'll stick to the menu, but it's quite cute, isn't it? Oh, and then you've got your cocktails and your wine list, which we won't be doing that today, darlings. But anyway, how gorgeous these plates are. Cheers! Happy birthday, Erwan! Thank you! Oh, we do another one! Cheers, my darlings. Thank you for subscribing, and if you haven't already, please do consider hitting that subscribe button for camp adventures like this. So I tried the chicken pot pie, and me and Mum did a little bit of swapsy, and I also tried the pizza. Both very, very lovely. Starter done. Time for the main course. Walt's favourite dish, chili con carne out of a can. Slay. The lights are on Main Street, everybody. It's getting dark. So the chili here, you've got your meat and sauce and rice and this, and then look, there's a little Mickey Mouse, and in there's your chili, and you pour it onto there. How very cute, darling. Right, so we pop Mickey there, pop Mickey there, and then I guess that's what she said. You pull this on like this. Look at that.
it on top?
I think so.
I don't know.
That's hot.
It is.
Pour it wherever you want. A little bit messy, but look, it's like a tin can because that's how Walt used to have it. And then there we go. Back on your little dish there. We'll come back for a bit more of that later maybe. And we'll see what this is like. Bon appetit. Erwan has got a cookie. What have you got, Ma? Lemon meringue pie. Gorgeous. And I have got the Steamboat Willie Milfeu.
Close.
Close enough. I don't know what it is. It's like caramelized bits of wafers and stuff. I don't know. But how cute is that? I'm trying to whistle but not loudly and it's not working. I think, yeah, cute. Anyway, let's go in. This is so cool here. And then you've got this gorgeous artwork on the wall there as well. It is just absolutely stunning in here. You're all good, you are all good. I'm just showing it off. Oh, Jungle Cruise. This artwork is gorgeous. Look, we are going down here towards the sortie and straight out down these gorgeous stairs and out onto Main Street, USA to see the castle show and the projections. Oh, wow.
A few minutes later.
It's the heart of everything. Oh, vocals diva. Yay! Oh, look how gorgeous it is. Viva la musique. I told you you wouldn't hear this until tomorrow. Are you laughing at me? Viva la musique. It's like a slow, like, goodnight version. Oh. Slay mama. What a way to end our first couple of hours here in Disneyland Paris. We've seen a little bit of the show, we're going to see that tomorrow. Waltz was lovely. The chili was average, painfully average, I will say. A little bit disappointing. If you like a nice spicy chili, oh my God, yes! It's carrying on. My pudding, oh gorgeous. Steamboat Willie, very, very nice. The desserts were gorgeous. The starters were gorgeous. Viva la musique. Sorry, I've got the people talking to me and the dentists up there. We've got the music. Oh, this is the most overstimulating, but in the most bestest way ever. Yeah, starters were gorgeous. Desserts, stunning. Main, we all had the chili. Painfully average, as I said, but still very nice. And we were sat there and I was like, We're in a theme park. It doesn't feel like we were still in a theme park. It's crazy. But yeah. We've done Pirates, we've done Waltz, we've seen a little bit of the lights and music, and we're finishing with a sleigh goodnight version, oh, one's not even it, of Viva la Musique, the Disney Music Festival song.
The time has come for you to lip sync for your life.
Don't sing there. You filming me, filming me. Oh! And it's like the fog has lifted, and at last I see the light, and it's like the sky is new. Tune in for the next video tomorrow. Full day here in Disneyland Park, checking out the music festival, characters, rides, everything. Is Mickey up there? Is that what you said? Oh my God, we've got to see Mickey before I say goodnight, haven't I? And there he is, in his music festival outfit. What a way to end your night. I'm not gonna lie, just seeing Mickey Mouse and hearing this like ballady version of Viva la Musique is just magical and stunning. That lives inside of us. And there's the castle. We'll see you tomorrow, darling. So, as I was saying before I got distracted by Mickey, from me, that Coaster Queen J Justine, aka Ben, Momma J, and Erwan, thanks for watching. Oh, and Mickey Mouse, you can't forget about Mickey. Lots of love. Hit the like button, comment below, subscribe, all those shenanigans. Stay tuned for first proper day tomorrow. I've gone blank, I'm too overstimulated. I'll see you later. Lots of love, ta-da! Subscribe! Viva la musique! That was flat, I'm gonna go.